Hey everyone, it's Desiree and I am back with Scrappy Tails, and we are going to have more fun die cutting, layering, but layering in a different way. So we're going to have a little bit of silver and gold, and there's that song again in our head. I do it every year, and I think I do it intentionally now. I love that song. Anyway, we are going to be using the A7 Berry Branch cover plate. This was in her last release with her products. And then an oldie but an awesome goodie, the assorted Christmas leaves or winter leaf assortment that came out last year. It is just awesome. So I've die cut the cover plate itself from a heavyweight black cardstock. There is a lot of details going on in this cover plate. I am putting this onto an ivory 5x7 card base, and this is going to be the starting point for all of our fun. I'm going to use the sentiment that comes with the cover plate. Now, there's 3 words: Merry Christmas Party. So a lot of some of the products, when it came to the last release, is so when you're having a holiday party that you can create your invitations, white elephants, secret Santas, all those type of holiday celebrations that we do during this time. So you get those 3 sentiments with this cover plate. Now you also get the 3 flowers that are coming off of the corners as well for layering. But what I did was I used silver, gold, and champagne and ivory cardstock. And now I'm just going to place them throughout this piece. So kind of creating a bouquet on top of the sprigs that are already sitting underneath that. I'm using the opened areas to place the other foliage, the ending, the stems of the foliage that I'm putting in there. The flowers in the top left and the bottom right were die cut from ivory, and all of the accents will be either silver, gold, or champagne mirror cardstock. Now I did use, when it comes to those 3, I did use the lightweight or the lighter weight cardstock by Tim Holtz. I do like his metallics. They have a more metal feel, if that makes sense. Don't get me wrong, I love all mirror cardstock, all glitter cardstock. But the Tim Holtz does have a different look to it than other mirror cardstocks. And that's what I was looking for, this brassiness. When it comes to the arrangement. And I'm just having fun placing the different types of leaves and everything else. Now, as always, I die cut more than what I need, and I have those set off to the side. They'll go into another container that I have, that I hold all kinds of die cuts, extra pieces and so forth. And I build cards out of those when I can't think of what I want to work on, or if I'm working on something and it is just, I just can't figure it out because I'm trying to put it together. That's when I'll pull that container out and just have fun, just layer things up and create some different types of cards using those items. So to me, that's fun. That's therapy. It helps clear out my brain a little bit. I was going to add some gems. I decided against it. I'm going to pull out some Nuvo drops and also some of my stickles. Love my stickles. So I'm going to be, that's where I am right now. I'm looking for my stickles and looking for the Neutro Pops that I want. So here I'm pulling out my red and I'm adding that to the berries, or to the end of the twigs for the berries, but just on the silver one. And then I pulled out a gold iridescent or a yellow iridescent Nuvo drop. It's awesome. Here's a little trick though. So I always set my drops to dry for at least 24 hours. They sit somewhere, they are not touched, they are not looked at, they are not breathed upon, so that they can hold their shape and they will stay thoroughly dry. Now, sometimes I've even gone longer. So, cats are nocturnal, and my cat laid on this card at some point during the night. Yes. It's got cute little paw prints. It still looks beautiful, though. You can kind of see it if you look at the flowers on the bottom right, not those. But if you look at the other ones, like down there, you can see like the swoosh. I had to add more drops to it. So yeah, just know that. I love my cat. My cat is awesome. But yeah, at some point in the middle of the night, he laid on it. I was not happy in the morning. Very not happy. I woke my husband up. Anyway, the products that I used will be listed down below in the video description. And if you have any questions, yes, Max is still alive. You do not need to ask that question. But if you have any others, please make sure you leave those down below in the comments, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as I can. Have fun. Enjoy your art. Just keep your animals away from it. You just never know. But no frustration and no stress. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and by all means ring that bell so that you know when the next video is live. We are coming to an end rather quickly to the 2023 Christmas series, and I do hope that you have been enjoying that. But guys, take care. I hope your holidays are going wonderfully. I hope you are enjoying time with family and friends and relaxing. But most of all, remember, always be creative. And I will talk to you in the next one. Till then.